What's up, guys? So today I am doing, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me just preface this by saying that I am not a dermatologist and I have just tried a lot of products and that's all. I don't know, I had like a late night skincare Amazon haul and I had to try some of these things. Let me show you what I use right now. If you have dry chapped lips, this is it. This is the one. I had been using this for maybe like 2-3 weeks. I like it. It comes with this brush on the top. Neutrogena Hydro Boost has been pretty awesome. I've been using that for a year. This sunscreen is very okay. There's no cast and that's kind of why I bought it. Still pretty greasy. This moisturizer, in maybe like 2 days, I saw a difference in my skin. I also bought something I'm very excited about and it's this pore vacuum. You know what? I read a lot about how they're not good for your skin and do you know what?
And
I still want to try it. I just want to see.
I wanted to see if I was powerful enough.
Does it come with anything else? No, it just looks like it comes with these different heads. They didn't have any like instructions that came with this.
And 5 plus 5 is 10.
Okay.
What the fuck is this?
And I don't even think it comes with a charger. So far, not great. I'm getting a little sus, and maybe I shouldn't use this. Maybe I shouldn't use it. I have no clue what the fuck to do. This feels like a bad idea. And then 1, 2. This is the lowest setting. It doesn't feel that hard at all. Let me try one more. That seems crazy. Just know that you are not supposed to do this to your skin. I'm just letting you know that right now. It's so satisfying in like a weird and gross way, and I had to try it myself. I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face and then we'll be right back. Okay, so my face looks literally the same. Now I have it on my phone. Oh, this is crazy. Wait. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I just want to pick up all of these real quick. Oh my god, is this hair? Oh my god. Maybe it won't even be able to get this out.
Heart been broke so many times.
Let's just do like a medium size nozzle instead. Let's put some oil on it. So I picked up this vitamin E oil. I know it's gonna be red. I know it's gonna be irritated. And then I'm gonna do the hot towel again. This is the lowest setting. Oh my god, I'm like a little nervous. Try in a smaller space. Ah! I accidentally turned it up. I don't even know how to move it, like. Okay, so this obviously isn't working. I can see it like popping out way more on my nose, but I think maybe this head is like too big for the part that I'm trying to get stuff out of. Yeah, my nose is super red already. I think the hardest part is like moving it. What are those? Are those literally just hairs? Ugh, some stuff is coming out. I can see it. I don't know, let's see. I go here. Oh my god, did you see that?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Okay, I'm gonna just do it again, but with like the second setting. Look at that. Oh my god, wait, but it looks like I'm bruising a little bit. Stop! No way! Oh, that's crazy. What the fuck? That is insane. That is a lot of gunk in there. I feel like it's mostly the vitamin E oil that I put on like just before this. Should I see what happens to the pimple? Let me turn it down a little bit. I just want to see. Ooh, shit. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna clean this because that is disgusting. Okay, it obviously works. Ew! I don't even know how to act. I've always wanted to try that.
No chore, you're a clown.
Wow. Okay, so let me calm down my skin. Let's cleanse with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Look at that. That's crazy. I love the shape of this. I really, really like this. It's pink, so it's my favorite color. But bro, this is crazy. It's just stopped? Nice little timer. Okay. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the toner from Pixi. Guys, I am literally just trying everything. This is not, and by no means, a skincare routine recommendation. Like, honestly, do not do this.
Duh.
There's that toner. I also have some witch hazel. Who knows? I heard witch hazel is actually terrible for your skin, so we're about to find out. Maybe I'll do the rose water? Love it. Wow, that feels so good. Oh, I got some in my mouth. Honestly, I kind of want to put on this vitamin E oil again. It's pretty thick, really thick actually. But I got this hydrating mask from Advanced Clinicals, again on Amazon. It looks like this.
I'm a clown.
You're a clown.
Okay.
Really?
Your whole life is a joke.
Whoa, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Ooh, I like this. I like this. This is very cooling. I saw somebody get a ton of oil plugs and sebaceous filaments out with oil cleansing, and I really want to try that because there's no reason to destroy my skin, you know? There's just no reason. While I wait for this to dry, I'm just gonna play Among Us. I really love that game. I'm even having dreams about myself being an imposter. Seriously. Okay, so mask is done and off. So now this moisturizer, I have a sample of the same brand sunscreen. I'll like test out a bunch of different products to see, you know, if there's anything that I could like add to my skincare routine. Oh, this smells horrible. Ew.
Go home, Roger.
No thanks. So I'm definitely gonna return the Pore vacuum. I don't recommend this to anybody. These, 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. I don't really know that it did anything. 9 out of 10, I use it with the overnight serum, which is something I'm gonna do tonight. Something is going on there and it's working and my skin feels really soft. This feels great. We're gonna see what happens. But as you can hear, I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go make some dinner. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, if you like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I definitely plan on putting out a hair video soon, so look out for that. Check out my channel, see my other videos. Yeah, I'll catch you next time.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.